That's what she said. Yep, that's what she said. Every time I come around, she acting shy. She be looking good, she be looking fly. She told her mama that I make her feel like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally Mary here. If you are new, be sure to subscribe and like this video by the end. Also turn on your notifications so that you know when I post a new video. Today's video is going to be one that's really exciting because I'll bring you all some really natural units that are affordable. These are going to be grab and go units that you can throw on easily and be out of the house, but also that are going to look really realistic. So I did a video in the past on Janet Collection's Natural Me line and you all absolutely loved it. I love bringing you all natural hair wigs on my channel because they are such great protective styles. I love wearing natural hair wigs. Those are my favorite because they match my texture a great deal. And I love that the Janet Collection has now created a line that caters to naturals like me who don't necessarily want to always wear their hair out, but want something that's going to look like their hair while protective styling. So these particular units are so gorgeous, so stunning, and they're also very natural looking. I love the construction of these particular units. They're easy to just throw on. You don't necessarily have to add any wig glue or do any gel or anything like that. And I'm going to show you guys how you can do that today. I am going to be trying out the wig fix with these particular units. Hopefully that'll help to keep them from sliding. But really great features about these particular units is that they have special knotting on the back nape. They also are hand tied with Swiss lace, and that's high quality lace. So that's really good for a synthetic wig. So if you're looking for something that's going to be your hair texture but also have some good quality lace, then I'd highly recommend these. These textures are also going to be very soft and they're really going to mimic our hair texture very well. They also have deep parting space. Like in the past, I know with synthetic units, they usually wouldn't have much parting at all if they had any, and they also wouldn't have wide parting space. But let's get into these bomb units, y'all. So I have shorter texture units. I also have some longer texture units for those who like a little lip, and these units are going to be units that you can just grab and go, throw them on, be out of the house in no time, and look like you're slaying your own natural hair. The units that I'm going to show you all today from the Natural Me line are Yana, Zara. I'm also going to be showing you all Cari and Iman. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. It might be Iman. Alright, so the first unit that we're going to be trying out is the Yana unit. It's so stunning. And this unit actually reminds me of the Iman unit that I showed you guys in my previous video. This just looks like a shorter version of that unit. So I'm going to try this one on. And it looks as though it does have a right side part, which is where I wear mine, so I can appreciate that. I love that it has a perm rod look, so if you're one of those girls who struggles to create perm rods, then you can get it already done for you in a wig. Putting it on, y'all, this looks so cute and it looks really natural. I love the texture of it. It does seem to be a little high in this area, but we're just gonna play around with it and see what we can do with this unit.
This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to
so sassy. I like this look a great deal. I like the cut, how natural it looks. This length looks very realistic. The density is great. It doesn't feel too full. It actually looks like it could potentially be the way my hair would look if I were to do a perm rod set. It's really soft to the touch. These curls are so perfect, and I feel like this unit would last a long time. One thing that I did do to spice up the look a bit is to conceal the part. I just brought some curls over from the right side over to the left just to conceal that part, and I feel like it gives it more of a curly fro look rather than the side part being so pronounced. But you do have the option to wear it with a part if you desire, but I liked it better styled this way. I feel like it looks so awesome. You can't see any of the edges or anything. I love that you don't have to pull out any of your hair. This is a really fly unit, y'all. All right, Zara, let's see what you're working with. This is what Zara looks like. It does come with the middle part. We're gonna try her on and see how we can style this one.
Baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times we'll cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute. Up and grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls can be you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, that no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. No, they got nothing on you. They got nothing. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. No, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. You know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. You know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. Yeah. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute.
Feel me? Yeah. She my peanut butter jelly snack, pull it, ride, busky, painting. That's my sunshine when it's raining. That's my boo, yeah. When I'm all alone, she pulled through.
Now, Yara is a showstopper. I knew I was gonna love this one. The length is what got me, and the beautiful bouncy curls that it has. This one is also really versatile. You can wear it with the middle part, you can wear it with the side part, and it just looks so good. I just love it. You could even do a high-low style, and I love that I was also able to achieve a really natural headband look with this one. I know headband wigs are trending. I recently did one on my channel, and this one will be a really nice dupe to one of those units. All I did was align the part with my part in the middle. I slicked my edges down and then just put the headband in the front, and you could actually wear it up. You could do so many different styles, the same styles that you all saw in my last video. You could actually achieve that with this look. So let me show you guys what it looks like from the side. back. And if we were to pull it up, just put the headband over the nape section of the wig. Hopefully the cap is fully covered in the back. I believe it should be though. And there you go. Have a really nice headband wig. I like this look a lot. This one is my favorite, y'all. These units are also heat safe up to 360 degrees. So I'm just going to put my wand curler on 360. And I'm just going to try to flatten out the top a little more. That was something that was kind of bugging me when it came to wearing it without a headband or anything. But I should have just grabbed my curl wand because I forgot you can put heat on these units. So I'm just going to try to flatten it out at the top using my curl wand. I believe it's hot enough now. Yeah. It didn't burn. That's good. Okay. Good to know. Alright, now let's try the next one. Alright, so now we're going to get into the Natural Me Lite units. These are the ones that are more so of a straighter texture. So the first unit that I'm going to show you guys is called Cari, and this one is a bob style unit. This is the only unit that I didn't get in the primary color 1B. I got it in 1B/Auburn blend, and it is so pretty. This is what the color looks like, and I felt like this one would be so pretty against my skin tone and so perfect for the summer. This one does come pre-styled with the middle part. The texture feels like a Yaki texture unit, which is really cool, and they've done a really good job getting this texture to look not only Yaki but also human-like. This one really looks like it could be human hair, but for a fraction of the cost, which is great. It is synthetic, but it looks like human hair. I like that they got it to match Yaki texture so well. And y'all, this color is just stunning. You got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switch doors. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. I pull up to your spot in the evening. Got a life in a pop for the weekend. Girl, I said you're the one and I mean it. Okay, so this is Cari. The color looks so bomb. And I feel like it complements the red lipstick really well. This unit would be really good for the summertime and also the fall. You could pull it behind your ear if you wanted, and that would be really cute. Now, I feel like the curls, because of the way the unit is packaged, got a little messed up. This side actually looks better than this one. The curls here are falling a little flat. I'm going to see if I can actually use my flat iron on 350 in order to curl it. The summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switch doors. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the Okay, so this is what Cari looks like. I did actually use the flat iron in order to redefine the curls, and the hair actually feels more silky than it did prior. Before, it felt like a true Yaki texture unit, but when you actually use your flat iron, guys, it gets silkier, it gets softer, and it feels even more like human hair, which is so cool. I'm gonna now try on the last unit, which is a long, straighter texture unit, and this one is called, what is she called? All right, now it's time to try Iman. This is also another blowout texture from this particular line. It does have deep parting space, and it does come pre-styled in the middle, just like the last unit. Y'all could feel this hair. It feels amazing. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Hey, this looks so good. Now, I feel like you can actually see the wig fix, so I do need to go in and add some powder to that area. Hopefully that will help. If not, I'm gonna take it off. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take the wig fix off. I don't want this to cause the parting to look weird. Beauty goes much deeper.
once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to...
Alright, so I am loving Iman. Y'all, this is fierce. I really like this one a great deal. It has such a sleek look to it. The parting looks really nice. It looks so much better now that I took off the wig fix. And I like that you get so much parting space. Look at all that parting space. So awesome. This one fits really snug to my head. And I like how flush it is in the front. It does also come with a little bit of baby hair, so if you wanted to do a little swoop action, you could do that, but I'm not going to do that. I really like this density. It seems like it's about 180, maybe 200, but because it is a blowout texture, it is going to feel fuller. It does feel and look like our natural hair, which I'm such a fan of, and the length is really nice as well. It stops right at my waist. It's probably about length 20, length 22. Feels so good. Y'all, Iman is where it's at. This one is so full. It feels so luscious. I love this texture. It looks really good, and I like the middle part with it. In the past, I would always stray away from middle parts, but I feel like this one looks really good on me. All right, y'all, that's the end of this video. I showed you guys some really phenomenal units. I hope you all enjoyed every single one that I showed. Zara is still my favorite, though, but listen, Iman is probably next in line. I really like this one a great deal, but all the units that I showed you guys were so fabulous. I look forward to hearing which one was your favorite. Be sure to like this video. Also comment down in the comment section. Check the description box. I'll have all the links provided for all the units that I showcase. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Like, comment, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.
Everyone's lining up to...